Okay, we have a quick example on how to find the inductance in a fully phased system. Let's go!
Check it out!
3 equal star connected circuit components take 8 kilowatts at a power factor of 0.8 lagging when connected across 410 volts, 3-phase, 3-wire, 50 Hz. Find the inductance component per phase of the load.
So for the given is, we have the power of 8 kilowatts. Then we have the voltage of 410 volts. We have the frequency, which is 50 Hertz. And then the power factor, which is 0.8. Okay, so yung hinahanap lang naman natin, which is the inductance, it stands for L. Okay, so by considering this formula, which is L equals 3 B squared sine theta cos theta over 2 pi f p. Okay, so from this formula, we already have the value, which is for the frequency, this one, the power, the voltage, is the V, and then for the angle, which is our power factor. Okay, so matik na to. Plug na lang natin yung value lahat. Okay, so 3 for our voltage kasi naka-star connected to, which is 410 over square root of 3 squared sine yung power factor natin 0.8. Okay, and then cos theta, also called as the power factor, which is 0.8 over 2 pi times the frequency, which is 50 Hertz, times the power that we had, which is 8,000 watts. So, matik. We have, and we come up to the answer of 32 millihenry. Okay, so basic lang na problem. It's because of this formula, which is L equals 3 B squared sine theta cos theta over 2 pi f times the power. Okay, that's all. Thank you.